Do you know where you're going? Have you figured it out? No Buster, just you and me. It's a surprise. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So at last, Molly is going to the dog beach. Got an overcast day, which is very nice change. A lot cooler for her to walk, because there's a fair wee walk from where I parked the car to where the beach actually is, and I think I'm looking forward to it nearly as much as she would be if she knew. I've told her, but I don't think she's good at English at all. So we're going to head there now, but of a bit of a disaster at the apartment. A disaster, yeah, it is a bit of a disaster. But anyway, I'll tell you after I've been to the beach. Talk to you later. Molly, you're going to break my arm. I think she'd tire out at some point. Saying that, she's not playing as much as she was. I've broken her, it's like breaking a wild horse. She's eventually had to ease off. Never seen her doing that before, but I've never walked her long enough. Just shows you, because it's a bit overcast, the beaches past a couple now and they're really empty. And the beaches that, this is the only one that I can find in the whole coast that you're allowed to come. The dog beach. We're the only ones using the beach. I'm going to start a protest in Spain. More dog beaches. Right, you want to go? You want to go into the water?
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos.
I'd love to take her off the lead, but there's too many dogs about, and she's a very unfriendly dog. She's not used to other dogs. I mean, if it come right over close, she'll sniff, and then she does a bark and a run away at the same time. But God, she loves this. Just loves it.
Me espera mientras lo vea. Nada me rompe, no, nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo del cigarette. Me pierdo en la ciudad, ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado, los menos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque...
No, you have to get into the car. No. Oh, God. See, too soft, Diane. Molly. Here, look. Look. That's not good. Not a good look. You don't care, do you? Not even at all. Now there's a wee feet washing station over here, and I don't think I'll be successful, but I'm going to see if I can put Molly under. So other people, oh, how smart's this? There's another washing station. It's for dogs and it's got a hose.
A veces yo soy yo, yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo, yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien.
You're a messer. You're definitely a messer, like.
Yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo, yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Trata de festejar, trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
Brilliant. Immaculate. Molly, if you roll, I'm going to leave you. She's now in a very short lead, so she can't roll. I'm going to put my camera to work again with my wee trick. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Right. That was great. I am knackered now. I mean, that was a long walk, plus I'm having to handle Molly the whole time. My arm's sore. She looks roasting, but the car's lovely and cool. It's actually today outside, it's completely overcast, which is great. It's funny if you were on holiday and you came to Spain, it was an overcast day, you'd be raging, but it's just lovely. The temperature's way down. On my phone it says 25 degrees. Oh. Well, after that late morning, early afternoon, energetic walk, I'm going to the KFC, and then I'm going home to put my feet up, and I'll probably be watching the news because King Charles is in Hillsborough today.
Next morning.
Right, so the disaster. 3 weeks ago, a family moved in next to me, not for a holiday, not for a week or whatever, but they've moved in. And they moved in on the Thursday, 3 weeks. And on the Friday morning, 7 AM, I woke to the strongest food smell you've ever smelled in your life. Honestly, I can't tell you. It was overwhelming, the whole apartment stinking. I couldn't get back to sleep. I got out of bed, and so it stank. It was in the apartment all day, but the strong smell went away at about 9 o'clock, and it was gradually cleaning out. Lunchtime, she must have cooked really early in the morning and then reheated for their lunch, and got it again. I went out and sat in my balcony, which, because my balcony's on the opposite side of the building to their balcony, it is a good place to go, but worried about it. And then by Saturday morning I was petrified I was going to wake into the same thing, but it didn't happen again until the following week. So the second week they were there, Friday week ago, same thing. And Oh no, this is terrible. My new apartment, everything's been going so well, and they're just cooking. There's nothing you can do, you can't complain. So, or you'd start a World War III maybe, I don't want anything like that. So that was alright, fingers crossed again. Saturday morning came, no smell all week, and I sort of contented myself that I can cope with it once a week. Just, it's going to be an early morning for me, get up out into the balcony, sit and have my coffee out there, which I do anyway, but I don't usually do it at about 9:30. So that was okay. The next week, Thursday morning, oh, flip's sake. disaster. It was exactly the same routine. It was really early. It was about 6:30 that Thursday, and stink goes away, and around lunchtime, stink back again. And I was hoping maybe to change the routine for some reason. Friday morning, same again, and this smell, and it's terrible. It's really terrible. Oh God, you know. I don't know what it is, what the people eat. So, don't know what I'm going to do. It's one of those things, you know. How do you complain about people cooking? It just shows you, doesn't it? No matter how easy you make your life and how much you try, there's always things going to come up and bite you in the bum. So there you go. Life's just not perfect. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. I'm going to leave the video off there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up would be great. Subscribe would be good. If you want to see more, hit the wee bell icon. But until next time, bye for now.